April, stop. Then stop.
I didn't do anything.
Miss, you gotta come with us, okay?
No, I got somebody up here who's very ill. No.
Miss, you gotta come with us.
No, please go downstairs, please.
Miss,
Please.
stop.
I'll talk. No, you have no right to come here.
We do.
You need a, I want to walk.
You're gonna get arrested too. Stop.
No, you know what they fucking take me to?
Hey.
I want to walk.
Turn around and you'll go arrest.
No, I'm not going.
A traffic stop ends with a felony arrest inside a private home. A mother screams, "You can't come in my house." Did the officers cross a constitutional line? Teaneck, New Jersey. April 2023. A driver ignores a stop signal. Pursuit is terminated. Officers track her plate to her mother's home and follow up. At the door, the encounter explodes. 3 legal questions. Eluding, warrantless entry. Obstruction.
Headquarters room, tough to make contact.
Two needs on those guys. That's the one. This one? Yep. No, the second one. That one. November 1-3. That's the house 332. Want me to call out this plate? Yeah. Headquarters, take 2 plates, put in the cat. Both are Jersey. First one's Golf 8. Here, Victor.
They got a camera.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Oh, I didn't think of that.
They have a camera too.
I'll take those numbers down.
Yeah, go ahead. Is it 2 family?
Got movement. Females inside. Female you could hear. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm so sorry to disturb you so late at night. Teaneck Police, how are you?
What's going on?
Just a few questions. Do you mind me asking a few questions?
Sure.
Come on out here, please.
All right, certainly.
Is it dog friendly?
Yeah, she's very friendly.
good.
You want to come say hi? Come on.
No, it's okay.
No, that's good. She's good.
Next time,
All right, okay. Yes.
Are you home alone?
No, I'm here with my daughter.
Do you know if she was driving this Nissan?
That one.
Yeah, this first one. My lights
No.
Which one?
No, the front one.
This one?
The front one. The one in front.
Okay.
What about?
Is she's the only driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the matter?
Was she driving it tonight, do you know?
I don't know.
Did she just got home?
I don't know.
Okay.
I really don't know. I was
You
in
don't
bed.
know? Oh, you're in bed?
Can
What happened?
we speak to her?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, what happened?
Just something, we just want to
Car's
straighten
in my
everything
name,
out.
so-
It's under your name?
Yeah.
You're fine.
Okay.
We just want to ask her a few questions.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What are you going to ask, basically just, were you in Teaneck? Why'd you butt in stuff?
What happened?
That's it?
Yeah.
She said she wasn't driving. Then I could tell her, or I could tell the mother, unfortunately, you're getting some to her.
No.
No?
She's saying she's the one who operates the vehicle. The mom just came out.
But what if the daughter comes and says, I wasn't driving?
We'll talk to her.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. She's coming down in a little bit?
She's getting dressed now. Yeah, she just got out of the shower.
That's fine. We'll wait.
I'm sorry.
We'll wait.
So you guys are from Inglewood or
Teaneck.
Teaneck. Oh, she's like, whoops it.
I'm sorry. Just want to make sure everything's okay. We'll try to straighten it all out tonight and we'll be out of your hair.
All right, okay.
Thank you for your cooperation, by the way. Appreciate it.
Don't worry. Princess, you want to come say hi? She's friendly. Come say hi. Say hi. Come say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Listen, I'm not dressed right now. I can get dressed, but you gotta wait, okay? I will get my police card right now.
Hey, take it down. Take it down. Take it
Oh, 'cause I'm
down.
having a bad day, that's why.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Did you get the tires for in the car?
Yes, I did.
All right, very good. Okay.
Okay?
You want to talk to us now, real quick? You want us to wait?
Okay.
We'll get it done quick.
All
All right.
Just took a shower.
I just took a shower. I'm trying to wind down.
This person's in school, and but she got through her associate's degree in Bergen and all, and but she's still a little extra sometimes. Why is she screaming? I have a upstairs who's sleeping. She's so extra. She is really extra.
Who, Princess or?
No, Princess is a little extra too. Okay, she's a little extra too. Let me see what her story is.
All right.
After taking several minutes to get dressed, Andrea finally came out.
She said she's getting dressed. She could have talked to you. She came down here. She could have just talked to you then.
Yeah.
That's done with.
You need a light?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hi. April.
Please.
All right, we'll do this quick.
Yes.
So what happened before?
So I got off at 80, went through the back way, right past Marriott,
Okay.
through what do you call it,
Glenwood.
Glenwood
Yeah.
Parkway.
Yeah.
Went under Route 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the cop car went off, and I was like, "What's going on?" So I just kept going because I wanted to get to a safe spot. The cop stopped, and I was just like, "Okay."
When did the cop start? That was me, by the way.
That was you.
That was me.
Oh, you're from Teaneck, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
When did you? Why didn't you stop though?
Because I was in Inglewood
Okay.
by now. Like, I just kept going. I like I said, I was waiting for a well-lit area.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay.
That's how I was taught.
I have Twitter.
That's all.
That's fine.
I do it.
So everything's recorded. Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
we're being recorded right now. That's mentioned. Audio video recording. And when we turn on the lights, that goes on recorded as well. Okay.
All right.
So when the light went on, it was well before Route 4. I was by Glen Court. When I saw you, you were on Country Club. You stopped, turned the lights on, then I put some sirens on. A lot of sirens.
Wait, what lights on?
Oh, there were lights. A lot of lights. We're not going to argue
Oh,
that.
I'm sorry, your lights. I'm
My
sorry.
lights,
I thought you
yeah.
said my lights.
Red and blue lights.
Okay.
You remember those? I put it
Okay.
on. We went all the way from Route 4 all the way to Forest. Then you made a right.
Yes.
Then you just kept going straight, ignored me. But that was a long. Why didn't you stop?
I just, like I said, I just kept going because it is not well lit over there. I have
Which car were you driving?
I told my kids
Oh,
not to stop.
the white Nissan Altima.
What? I'm sorry. There's two. Which one? The first one?
The first one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I told my kids don't stop until you're in the
Yeah,
I roll it area.
Yeah.
I watch.
I did see the
I watch
lights.
Forensic Files.
Yeah. Okay. Can
No
you get your
disrespect.
license for me?
No disrespect.
Yes.
Thank you.
No disrespect to you guys.
That's fine. Can I put this stopper on here?
Yeah, just to
Thanks.
step on it.
Hey, we got her out here. She's admitting to it. Yeah, so just giving you a heads up. She's getting her documents and stuff now. She's saying she's trying to get to a well-lit area. Just giving you a heads up. All right, bye.
So what exactly is the problem?
So when the officer attempted to pull her over, he followed her for an extended period, not only with lights and sirens as well, and then she continued to go.
So what is that considered, like, as far as what?
It's eluding.
Eluding.
So we have to talk to her. We'll explain to her what's going to happen next, and we'll tell you as well.
And what happens next?
We'll explain everything to you.
Yeah. Hold my phone.
Oh, you got two phones. No wonder my phone bill was so high.
You said it for an extent. How long was the
No,
distance?
that one.
Oh, so what was the reason for, like,
Yeah, that's what I was
put on
trying to
your
figure out.
alarms? I mean, your
Yeah. So the reason you were actually just gonna get pulled over for was the tints, and then there's a light bulb.
That's stupid because you can see me through
Well,
there.
there's one more
I'm
thing.
not going. You know what? I'm getting
Miss,
out of here.
miss,
Stupid. They never-
miss,
Shut up! Shut
miss.
No, stay here, stay here.
All right, she's gonna be.
No, you can't come in. No, you can't come in my house. You can't come in my house. You can't come in my house. I'm so sorry. I'm so. Shut up! Shut up and come! Shut up!
That's fine.
Calm down. Please. This is mental illness.
Can get Englewood PD here.
You know what? You know what? You're gonna get arrested.
Okay, she's under arrest. I don't want to force myself in your house. Have her come out, please. I don't want to do this, man. No.
No, you don't have the right to call. You don't have the right.
I do. I have arrest. I'm not trying to make this bad for you.
She's going to be arrested.
I'll get her. I'll get her.
No, you can't. You cannot close this door.
Calm down.
You cannot close this door.
I'm gonna calm her down. Okay.
Open my tits.
April.
Where's your ID?
No. All right. Close the door.
Where is your ID?
Close the door.
She's got
You
ADHD.
cannot close
I
the door.
hear you. We're not trying to make it difficult for you. I hear you.
You can't.
I hear you.
Write a ticket and we'll go to
Miss,
court.
I'm telling you beyond that. She's charged with eluding. We have probable cause to arrest her. I'm trying to make this as calm as
She
possible.
has not. She's not going to jail.
Yes,
okay?
she is.
You can
Step
write a
aside.
ticket. Do me a favor.
Mommy.
Where's your ID and stuff?
Headquarters, get them here.
Show me my tits. Get the out of here.
Oh my God! I can't
April, can you
believe
step
it.
aside? Can you step aside? Can you step aside?
Tell what, John? Yes, no. Why are you so crazy?
No, because
He's trying to do this peacefully.
You're bored.
Oh my God!
April, you need to step aside now. We're beyond this. April, we are going
You gotta get a
in.
warrant to come
No, we
I
do
don't need a
not.
warrant. I have probable cause. I'm trying to do it calmly for you.
Get your license and stuff and show them the information.
April, if you keep interfering, you
interfering, okay?
Yes, you
are.
No,
I'm trying. I'm trying to explain it to you.
She is under arrest. If you interfere, you will be arrested as well.
I'm not getting
We do
arrested.
not
I
want to
have
do
to
this.
work to take care of patients.
Then step aside.
My man is anywhere.
Please step aside.
No, I'm not stepping aside. You can't take care of
April.
what I want.
April.
You have to have. Shut up!
Out of here.
Shut up!
What the f did I do?
Oh my God! I'm about to punch on her face. You gotta get a warrant to come in here.
No, we do not.
You have to get a warrant.
We don't, man.
Shut up!
Go chase after the
Stop, miss.
April.
Stupid.
Stop. Stop.
So fucking stupid. I'm trying to handle this diplomatically.
And we're trying to do the same.
You know what? You know what? I'm gonna let y'all take her.
April, we are taking her clothes.
Come. You going, because you act like a fucking nutcase now. You need to go. You need to go. Because you act like a nut. You acting like a nut. Why are you so fucking disrespectful and rude? What is your problem?
I'm going to bed. Good night.
Miss, she can't. I'm not.
No.
I don't need a warrant. I'm not. I don't want to. I don't want to arrest you too.
You do not want to get arrested. Step
Miss, I don't want to arrest you too. You're gonna get arrested. I don't want to. Miss, Headquarters, get me Englewood now. No.
Stop. You're going to get arrested. Stop. April. Stop. Then stop.
Miss, you gotta come with us, okay?
No. I got somebody up here who's very ill. No.
Miss, you gotta come with us.
No. Please go downstairs. Please.
Miss,
Please.
stop.
I'll talk. No, you have no right to come here.
We do.
You need a. I want a warrant.
You're gonna get arrested too. Stop.
No, you know what? They fucking take me too.
Hey.
I want a warrant.
Turn around and you'll arrest.
No, I'm not going.
Stop.
I gotta take care of her.
Stop.
You know
Stop.
what? You know what?
Stop.
Y'all gotta get a warrant.
Stop.
April.
You're f***ing mad. Hello?
Nene, you okay? Okay, she's fine. She's fine. In here, she's special needs.
Yes. Hi. Teaneck police is on my is in my house right now. They're trying to assault me right now.
I was trying to make this easier for you. I'm not trying to do
I was trying to
anything.
talk to her.
I hear you, and that's why I'm trying to work with you.
Talk to her.
The Teaneck police.
Put your hand behind your back,
are
April.
me.
Put your
Can
hand
you
behind your
please
back.
Help me.
All right.
Stop. Just stop.
Hi.
Andy, stop. Just stop, Andy, okay? Stop. This could have been dealt differently, okay? This could have been dealt differently.
Stop moving.
Yeah, right.
Stop moving.
Are you
No, that's not the reason. Stop.
Stop, Andy.
I gotta search.
Andy, stop.
Stop moving.
No, it could have been handled differently.
Very differently.
Very differently. You
Be careful.
You are asking.
Slow down. Be careful. Stop. Stop going fast.
Can you walk?
Can you stop?
What?
I'm trying to work with you. Chill. Relax. Do you have anything in your pockets? Where's your phone you had? It's up there in the bed? Alright, we'll work with it. Stop. Stay here.
Who's the person upstairs?
She's a special needs young woman. My boyfriend's a stepdaughter.
Look,
What?
I'm talking to you.
What?
I could arrest you too. I don't want to do that.
I don't want
So you gotta understand, if I'm coming, and I hear you, but you can't stand in front of me in the door and everything else. I had to literally, listen to me, I had to literally push myself out of the way.
All right.
I could be taking you in cuffs right now. I'm not doing that to you. I understand you're a concerned mother, and I understand you have a special needs person upstairs. But you gotta understand, you still might be subject to getting charges. I'm not taking you away with me right now because you have a special needs person upstairs.
Thank you.
And I understand you're taking care of your daughter. I respect that.
Plus my
But you-
boyfriend.
I hear you, but you gotta understand, we have a job to do as well.
I
And you saw us,
understand.
we were being peaceful and
You guys
respectful
were
of the
very
entirety
nice.
of
I
it.
agree.
That's
agree.
all.
I agree.
So if I'm here at the door, you can't be doing what you're doing. You understand?
I agree.
All right, I'm leaving you right now because you said you have a special needs person upstairs, and I respect that. But just let you know, you're gonna be subject to charges as well, and you might be charged with obstruction.
I said tense. I was like, are you f***ing kidding me?
That's not it. If you let me finish. Why don't you let me finish? It was the smallest thing. If you just stopped the car, nothing would have happened right now.
I'm being honest with you.
Come on, give
Yes,
me a
ma'am.
break. I'm a nurse.
I didn't, and
I do work all the
and
time. I
handcuff-
save lives and
Miss,
everything.
Miss, am I handcuffing taking
Oh,
out
no,
cuffs
you
right
didn't.
now?
No,
I
you
think I've been
didn't.
nothing but respectful to you. I've been trying to
couldn't
understand.
leave her alone anyway.
And I'm not trying. And I'm trying to understand your
Thank
story
you.
and give you the benefit of the doubt.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, I apologize.
Are you Inglewood or Teaneck? They just came in the house after I told them, no, you're not coming in my f***ing house. You don't have the f***ing right. He said my tents.
Slow everyone down. Slow everyone down. Everyone slow down.
My tents. Are you kidding? What else? What else besides my tents?
Andy, shut up. Just shut up.
And I said I was sorry. You kidding me? Bullshit.
She was under for eluding. She ran inside. Mom's obstructing. She's probably going to get charges in the mail.
Colt, I'm putting her in the car. Can you just watch her?
Can I go to England, please?
She has a special needs person upstairs, so I'm going to let her stay for the night. So, but I mean, she's literally running inside the house. We had to chase her. She's blocking us from the door, so that's why we're trying to figure out what's going on. I don't. I had probable cause. Arrest your daughter. I told you that. Man, why would I lie to you? I'm not trying to make it hard for
I
you.
thought you always needed a warrant to come to
No.
somebody's house.
No.
Really?
Yes. If I had probable cause and I wasn't being disrespectful to you,
No, not
nothing.
at all. Not
All
at all.
right.
Not at all.
That's all it is.
All right, I'm learning. I'm so sorry.
You're your mom. I get it, but
I am sorry.
all right. She's gonna come with us. She's gonna be charged. She'll call you and let you know what's going on. I don't know if she'll go to the county jail or not. But I mean, doing all this also, she's only gonna add extra charges to herself. That doesn't help anybody.
I know.
Literally, she would have came out here. We would have took her in. It would have been the end of it. You made a big deal out of nothing. The entire thing.
Calm down. I kept telling her, calm down. I told you she got to teach her that.
I hear you, man. But that's no excuse. You can't be acting like that. I hear what you're saying. But we were nothing but calm on the porch the entirety of it. All right. Look what we're getting now because you hear us yelling. We're trying to talk to you guys. I mean, we couldn't have been any calmer with you guys. Okay.
All right.
So that's what's gonna happen right now.
Good evening.
All right. Watch your head, all right?
He has members to crew and David at 379 Winthrop Road, Fernandez.
First, eluding. Under New Jersey law, knowingly fleeing. A stop signal is a third-degree felony. The driver claimed she was heading to a well-lit area for safety. A possible defense under State versus Mendez, but not a winning one. Probable cause for the felony was clearly met. Second, the warrantless entry. The central question. Payton versus New York. The Fourth Amendment draws a firm line at the entrance of the house. No warrant, no entry. Unless there is consent or hot pursuit. The mother revoked consent. The officer claimed probable cause. That rule applies in public, not at home. So the officers needed hot pursuit under United States versus Santana. But the chase had already been terminated. There was no continuous pursuit. The theory is weak, but the entry would likely survive review. Third, obstruction. Words alone are not enough. That is State versus Camillo. Even closing a door is protected. That is State versus Burlow. But physically blocking an act of arrest is interference. The charge holds. On force. Graham versus Connor governs. Soft hand control. No strikes. Within accepted bounds. Now, the grades. Officers, C. Solid probable cause. Restrained force. But. No warrant needed. Oversimplifies the law at the threshold. Driver, C-. A defense was available. Profanity and resistance turned a summons into a felony. Mother, C+. Asserting her rights built a record. Physical blockage broke it. Lessons learned. For drivers. If you are afraid, slow down. Hazard lights on. Call 911. Pull over at the next safe spot. Fear is not a legal defense to eluding. Once the lights are on, every foot is evidence. For homeowners at the door, refusing entry is your right. Say it clearly on camera. Never block, slam, or fight. The remedy is in court. A motion to suppress. A civil rights claim. Not resistance. For officers, the doorway is the most consequential moment of your shift. Articulate your legal basis on camera. Name the exigency. Probable cause alone is not enough at the threshold. And when you can use discretion, use it. The threshold of a home is sacred ground in Fourth Amendment law. Citizens, assert your rights, but never resist. Officers, justify your authority before crossing. Comment below the legal topic you want covered next. Thanks for watching.